Hello everyone, and welcome back to our SolidWorks tutorial series. Today, we're going to dive into creating a wavy sweep using the Smart Dimension tool, alternating arc sizes, and the Sweep Boss base command. Let's get started. First, we'll switch to the front plane and activate the sketch command. We'll start by drawing a horizontal line from the origin point. Here's a neat trick. As you move the endpoint back towards the origin, it will automatically convert into an arc. We'll complete this arc to create the base of our profile. Now we will draw a line at angle of 45 degrees, and again we will convert line into arc, and it will alternatively repeat for 3 times. We'll begin by setting up our profile sketch using the Smart Dimension tool. We'll define the length of the horizontal line as 28 millimeters. Next, we'll establish the center distance between the arc and the horizontal line as for millimeters. Now, let's create a series of alternating arc sizes to achieve that wavy effect. We'll start with a 4 millimeter arc, followed by a 2 millimeter arc. This pattern will continue with 4 millimeters and 2 millimeters, giving us the desired wavy profile. To ensure proper orientation, we'll add a 45-degree dimension to one of the line segments. Lastly, we'll select all 3 line segments and add the equal relation to ensure they have the same length of 2 millimeters. Perfect! Our profile sketch is now fully defined. Let's move on to creating the path sketch. Switching to the right plane, we'll draw a simple circle with a diameter of 3 millimeters. This circle will serve as the path for our sweep. To ensure a smooth connection between the profile and the path, we'll add a piercing relation between the circle and the endpoint of our curved profile from the previous sketch. Heading over to the Features tab, we'll select the Sweep Boss base command. Choosing Circular Profile, we'll select the circle we just drew as the path for the profile. We'll pick the curved profile sketch we created earlier, and voila! SolidWorks will sweep the profile along the path, generating our 3D model with that beautiful wavy effect. Now we will choose the fillet command, and in dimensions we will set it to 0.8 and select both edges of sweeped profile. And there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to creating a wavy sweep in SolidWorks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SolidWorks tips and tricks. Until next time, happy modding!